The moon card in the Rider-Waite Tarot depicts a serene night scene with a full moon shining in the sky. It represents the subconscious mind, intuition, and the mysteries of the unseen. The card's message is often associated with duality and illusion. In the foreground, a path leads between two towers into a watery landscape, suggesting that the way forward may be treacherous or uncertain. The presence of a dog and a wolf symbolizes the tamed and untamed aspects of our nature. The crayfish emerging from the water alludes to the deep emotions and fears that may surface during this time. The moon card reminds us to trust our instincts, embrace the unknown, and navigate through uncertainty with caution, as clarity will eventually emerge from the shadows. The sun card portrays a vibrant golden sun shining down upon a joyful child sitting on top of a white horse. The child represents innocence, freedom, and pure joy, while the horse signifies strength and vitality. The sunflowers blooming in the background represent life, fertility, and growth. This card symbolizes a time of happiness, success, and fulfillment. It represents a period of positivity, light, and clarity, indicating that all obstacles are being overcome. The sun card encourages embracing one's true self, radiating confidence and basking in the warmth of life. It brings optimism, vitality, and a sense of renewal, urging individuals to express their authentic selves and enjoy the blessings and accomplishments they have achieved. Ultimately, the sun card signifies triumph, abundance, and the promise of a bright future. The Judgment card depicts the moment of divine reckoning and ultimate awakening. The card shows the Archangel Gabriel sounding his trumpet as figures rise from their graves, arms outstretched. The card represents a call to spiritual awakening, urging individuals to face the consequences of their actions and take responsibility for their choices. The Judgment card symbolizes a time of introspection, reflection, and self-evaluation, where one must honestly assess their past deeds and make amends or seek forgiveness if necessary. The Judgment card signifies a period of transformation, a chance for rebirth and renewal. It encourages individuals to release old patterns, let go of regrets, and embrace a higher level of consciousness. It serves as a reminder that with self-awareness and acceptance, one can experience personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. The World card depicts a naked woman surrounded by a laurel wreath, holding two wands representative of spiritual power and balance. She is enclosed in a mandorla, a figure-8-shaped wreath symbolizing infinity and wholeness. In each corner, the four fixed signs of the zodiac, Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, and Scorpio, are represented. The woman signifies the integration of opposites and the completion of a cycle. The laurel wreath highlights victory, accomplishment, and transcendence. The World card suggests the successful fulfillment.